Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another slay. This makeup is just a simple neutral glowy glam, so let's get right into this video. So as always, I've already done my brows and my face off camera because I have a lot of videos of my foundation routine. I will drop some videos in my description box so y'all can just go check that out because it's literally the same routine. So this video is only focusing on the eyes. So I'm using the Morphe palette and the Juvia's Place palette. So right here I'm just taking like a nude transition color. And then I'm going in with a soft orange. And I'm going to use that to apply. I'm going to apply that in my crease area. So I'm taking a dark burgundy red color and I'm applying that in my crease as well, but I'm only taking it halfway to the eye and not all over. And I'm just blending that out. Now this brush, I don't know what brand of brush this is, but most of my brushes are like Real Techniques and e.l.f. So right here I am just creating and carving out my cut crease. Now this is not going to be a super dramatic cut crease, it's just going to be a simple small cut crease. I didn't want something too dramatic, so that is what I'm doing. So now I am taking like any kind of nude eyeshadow color, or you can just use setting powder. But I'm taking a nude eyeshadow color, pretty much the same shade as like my regular skin tone, or yeah, pretty much the same shade as the concealer. And I'm just using that to set the concealer. And I'm using a NYX matte liquid eyeliner. Shit, y'all. A black eyeliner from NYX. And I'm using that to create my cat eye, or per se wing. So these lashes, I got these mink lashes from Amazon and I love them so much. It didn't come with a name, so I can't tell y'all the name of them, but they are so bomb. Love these minks. So I'm just taking some mascara and pretty much going to apply that under my lashes, just so everything can blend in together. Now I'm taking this NYX white jumbo pencil and applying that to my waterline. And for the rest of my face, I'm just going to set everywhere where I contoured, and that's the way this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So yeah, like I said, my foundation routine is pretty much the same thing. I will list some video links down in my description box if y'all are interested in knowing how I achieve my foundation routine or whatever. So yeah, make sure you check the description box. Give this video, let's get this video to 100 likes, you guys. Like, let's smash the like button. I know y'all can do it. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all can be notified every single time I upload a video. And this is pretty much the completed look, same products that I always use. Trust me, if I use something new, I will definitely let y'all know. But yeah, if you guys like how this look came out, then leave a comment down below, like this video. Also check out my frontal install on how I slayed the e.l.f. out of my hair. You guys should just definitely go check that out. I will link that down in my description box as well. And I will see y'all in the next video.